Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan. Today I am the one who's going to make pan-fried fish with sweet chili sauce, which is inspired by my favorite chef. So let's begin. To begin with, first we'll make the sweet chili sauce. For that, first I'm going to add red chili. To that, I'm going to add finely sliced garlic, some sugar and salt. Now we'll start pounding it. After getting this consistency, I'm going to add little olive oil to keep the color alive. Nicely mix it up with chili and garlic. Guys, you can see the consistency and the color. At this stage, I'm going to add fish sauce, at least 2 tablespoons, and vinegar. The fish sauce will give little saltiness and vinegar will give a nice acidic wake up to the sauce. And let's mix it. And to add some crunch and texture to the sauce, I'm going to add some spring onion, chopped coriander. And to give a wake up call to chili and garlic, I'm going to add little lemon juice. And let's mix it. Our sweet chili sauce is now ready. Let's transfer it into a bowl. While our sauce is resting, let's pan fry our fish. For that, let's marinate the fish. First, some salt. I'll follow the same on the other side. Black pepper. Again press it, let the marination go deep in the fish. And last, I'm going to add some chili flakes. Turn the sides. Again dab, let the marination nicely settle it on the fish. Now I'm going to add little olive oil on the fish. Massage the fish nicely. Again, olive oil. Our sauce is ready and our fish is marinated. Let's start pan frying the fish. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. Add oil. As the oil starts getting hot, I'm going to start placing the fish on the pan. The fish I cooked on one side for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn the sides. Our pan-fried fish is ready. Let's start plating it. And finally, to finish, I'm going to drizzle some lemon juice. And pour the sweet chili sauce on top of the fish. And there you go guys, our pan-fried fish with sweet chili sauce is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.